Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to sign out from Microsoft Teams. Whether you're switching accounts, logging out from a shared computer, or simply want to end your session securely, knowing how to properly sign out is essential for maintaining your account security and privacy. Let's start by locating your profile icon. Head to the upper right corner of your Microsoft Teams window. You'll notice a circular icon there, which is your profile picture or initial. This is your main account hub where you can access various settings and account options. Go ahead and click on it to open the profile menu. Once you click on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account. Take a moment to scan through these options. You'll see things like your account status, settings, and other profile-related features. Among these options, you'll find one that says Sign Out. This is the option we need. Click on it to initiate the sign-out process. After clicking Sign Out, Microsoft Teams will display a confirmation message on your screen. This is an important security feature that prevents accidental logouts. The confirmation message is there to make sure you really want to sign out of your account. It's a safeguard to ensure you don't lose any unsaved work or accidentally disconnect from ongoing conversations. When you see this confirmation prompt, simply click Sign Out one more time to confirm your decision. Once you confirm, Microsoft Teams will complete the sign-out process and you'll be logged out of your account. You'll typically be redirected to the sign-in screen where you can log back in with the same or a different account if needed. This ensures that your session is properly closed and your account information remains secure, especially important if you're using a shared or public computer. And there you have it. You've successfully signed out from Microsoft Teams in just a few simple clicks. This straightforward process helps you maintain control over your account security and ensures that no one else can access your Teams conversations or files when you're done using the application. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.